Question number 10. Arithmetic progression has first term 5, which is arithmetic progression, which is equals to a, then a plus d, then a plus 2d, up to the nth term, which is a plus n minus 1 time d. So first term is given, which is 5. Okay, and there is a common difference of d here, where d is greater than 0. Okay, the second, fifth, and 11th terms of the arithmetic progression is in that order are the first three terms of the geometric progression. Okay, so we have the arithmetic progression which has terms second term, then fifth term, then 11th term. These are the first three terms of the GP, geometric progression. Okay, so first we find the second, fifth, and 11th term of the arithmetic progression. So we know that arithmetic progression is equals to an equals to a plus n minus 1 time d. This is the nth term of the arithmetic progression. If we plug n is equal to 2, because we need to find second, fifth, and 11th term, so this one is equal to a2 is equal to a plus 2 minus 1 time d, which is equals to a plus d. Similarly, when n is equal to fifths, 5, so a5 is equals to a plus n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 time d, which is equals to a plus 4d. Similarly, when n is equal to 11, so a11 is equals to a plus n minus 1 means 11 minus 1 time d, which is equals to a plus 11 or 10d. Okay, so we can say that this one is equals to a plus d, this one is a plus 4d, and third one is a plus 10d, where a is given, which is the first term, which is 5, so a is equals to 5, so we can write it 5 plus d, this one is 5 plus 4d, and this one is 5 plus 10d. These are the geometric progression, and we need to find the value of d, and we know that in geometric progression ratio is same. These are the T1, T2, and T3 of the geometric progressions. So this is a geometric progression. It means its ratio is same. So we can say that second term upon first term is equals to third term over second term. So plugging these value T1, T2, T3 in this condition, we can find the value of D. So second term is equals to 5 plus 4D over first term, which is 5 plus D, equals to the third term, which is 5 plus 10d, over second term, which is 5 plus 4d. Okay, by cross multiplying we will have 5 plus 4d whole square is equals to the 5 plus d time 5 plus 10d. Okay, for the solving we will have 25 plus 20, then 40d plus 16d square is equals to 25, and this one is equals to the 50d plus 5d, then we will have 10d square. 25 will be cancelled out, and we will have 16d square minus, when we switch 10d on the left side, it will be negative 10d square, and this one is equals to 50 plus 5, which is 55d, and when we switch 40d on the right side, it will be negative 40d. Okay, for the solving we will have 6d square is equals to the 15d. 6d square minus 15d equals to 0. Taking d common, we will have 6d minus 15 equal to 0. So we have two factors equating each with 0, so d equal to 0, and on the other side we have 6d minus 15 equal to 0, and in this case d is equals to 15 over 6, which is equals to 5 over 2. So d is equals to 5 over 2 or 2.5. This value of d equal to 0 is not applicable because it says that d should be greater than 0, so we will ignore it. Okay, let's move to the part B. The sum of the first 77 terms of the arithmetic progression is denoted by S77. and sum of the first 10 term of the geometric progression is denoted by G10. Find the value of S77 minus G10. We know that sum of the arithmetic progression is equals to n over 2, in bracket we will have 2a plus n minus 1 time d, where the sum of the geometric progression is equals to the Gn, which is equals to a time r to the power of n minus 1 over r minus 1. Okay. First, we find the sum of the 77 terms of the arithmetic progression, where the arithmetic progression is equals to a, then a plus d, then a plus 2d, and it move up to the n at 77. Okay. From part A is equals to 5, and we calculated the difference, which is 2.5. So the arithmetic progression is 5, then 5 plus 2.5, then 5 plus 2 times 2.5, and it move on up to the, sorry, this one is comma, up to the 77 term. So we can say that 7.5, then 10. This is the arithmetic progression, and in this case a is equals to 5, difference is equals to 2.5, and we need to find the sum to 77 terms, so n is equal to 77. So we can use the formula Sn is equals to n over 2, in bracket we will have 2a plus n minus 1 time d, where n is equal to 77, so we can plug 77 over 2, in bracket we will have 2 times a, which is 5, plus n minus 1 means 77 minus 1 time d, which is 2.5. So we will have 77 over 2, in bracket we will have 10 plus 76 times 2.5. Further solving, we will have 77 over 2, in bracket 10, and 76 2.5 is 190. So S77 is equals to the 77 over 2 times 200, and this one is 100. So we will have S77, which is equals to 7700. Now we need to find the G10. G10 is the sum of the geometric progression up to 10 terms. And we know that geometric progression we just calculated, which is equals to the a plus d, 5 plus 4d, and 5 plus 10d. A plus d, then a plus 4d, then a plus 10d. A is equals to 5 and d is equals to 2.5. So this one is equals to 5 plus 2.5, then 5 plus 4 times 2.5, then 5 plus 10 times 2.5. So this one is equal to 7.5, and this one is equals to the 10 plus 15, and this one is equals to 30. So this is the geometric progression, and in this geometric progression first term is equals to 7.5. Okay, and ratio is equals to second term divided by first term, which is 15 over 7.5, and this one is equals to 2. Now we can use the sum of the geometric progression formula, which is Gn is equals to a time r to the power of n minus 1 over r minus 1, and in this case n is equals to sum of the 10 term, so n is equals to 10. Okay, so a, which is 7.5, time r, which is 2 to the power of n, which is 10, minus 1 over r minus 1, which is 2 minus 1. So this one is equals to 7.5. 2 to the power of 10 is 1024 minus 1, and this one is equals to 7.5 times 1023. So this one is G11 10, sorry. So this one is equal to 7672.5. This is a G10. We need to find the value of S77 minus G10. So S77 minus G10 is equals to S77, which is 7700, minus G10, which is 7672.5. So this value is equals to 27.5. which is S77 minus G10, which was required value. If you still confused in the series and expansion question, you should go to the my channel, and here you find the session wise past paper, and this is the topic wise past questions, in which you will find the, for example, this one is topic wise session, in which series session has 16 past questions. Similarly, if you are not confident in circular measurement, so you should solve these 13 questions related to the circular measurement. So I am preparing this topic wise playlist and updating weekly. Please subscribe, and also